Hey guys, today we have another package. This is from Selena Phillips, and her Etsy shop is called Socialight Candles and Home Decor.
Let's open it. First you get
So I'm going to go ahead and, oh, this card is so cute. Sorry guys, I'm trying to get the card out. Oh my gosh, look how cute this card is.
Look guys, look at it. Look at this thing, it's like my biggest hand. Look.
It says, I hope your family is doing well. Enjoy the wax goodies. Can't wait to see your YouTube. Take care, Selena Phillips.
Oh my, look
and
at this.
Here is her card.
Look at this, guys.
And there is her number if you want to call and place an order, and her email address.
Look at that.
And we have, this is huge. I've never owned a loaf before. This is cotton candy margarita Mountain Dew overpour. Look how pretty that is. Oh my goodness. And it smells amazing.
This is cotton candy.
And we have strawberry champagne toast overpour toasted marshmallow.
Look, it's cotton candy.
Oh gosh, it smells so good.
This is cotton candy.
And we have a cotton candy candle melt.
I want to smell it.
Ooh, that smells good. This is Tarocco orange. Ooh, that one smells really good. Look how pretty it is. We have a Mountain Dew. Ooh, that smells really good. You want to show them this one? This one is Fruit Loops Birthday Cake Overpour. Whoa, look how beautiful that is. Oh my goodness, girl. You make amazing wax. Wow. Cotton Candy Margarita. Look how beautiful. And it's 2 colors. Oh, I love it. Which one do you have? She has Cotton Candy Margarita Red Fizz Overpour. Oh, that is so pretty.
You have a lot of cotton candy stuff.
Cake Batter Surprise. And that is a cute little teddy bear. I know my daughter would like that one. We have Cocoa Bahama. It's a cute little flower. And the last one we got is called Peppermint Fluff.
No.
Ooh, and it is... One second, let me open it so you guys can see it.
I love cotton candy.
It is a Christmas light bulb.
I love cotton candy.
Look how cute that is. Oh, and it smells so good. I don't normally like peppermint, but her peppermint smells awesome.
Guys,
so
this is what we got.
I think out of all of them, my favorite one is this Fruit Loops and Birthday Cake Overpour. It's absolutely cute. And it's got little cherries on it and a star.
All kinds of stuff.
She has some amazing wax, you guys. This is a company I highly recommend checking out. I absolutely love the card. That was a beautiful touch. I love Halloween. Halloween is one of my favorite times of the year.
Me too.
But that is so beautiful.
I
I absolutely love this. This is huge. I will be melting this very, very soon. But that is what we got. This is from Socialight Candles Home and Home Decor.
Yep. I wanted the cotton candy because it smells good.
Does it smell good?
Yeah.
And I love this cute little paper too. That is adorable. I will definitely be saving this as well.
Yeah, me too. I love it.
And she put some peanuts in there. She packed this stuff really, really, really well. So thank you, Selena. Ooh, that smells good. I really, really appreciate all these beautiful goodies. I highly, highly recommend this company. She has awesome products. I will definitely link her Etsy shop down below so you guys can check her out. She's a wonderful, wonderful woman. Her shipping is fast and her customer service is absolutely excellent. So I hope you guys enjoy this video.
I love it.
She likes the peppermint candy, the peppermint scented light bulb. She likes this one right here. And it smells so good. I've never tried peppermint before, and it smells amazing.
Yeah.
But once again, I will show you her card so you guys can check her shop out. I've never had a loaf before, and I am very, very, extremely excited about this.
Look.
And it smells absolutely amazing. Thank you so, so very much, Selena.
Look at all these pumpkins.
Yeah, and look at the skull and the heart. That is adorable. But I hope you guys enjoy this video.
And give thumbs up and subscribe. And go check her Etsy shop out. And show her some love.
Good job. I definitely love this company for sure. This is in my top 5 favorite companies. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and we will see you later.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
All right, let's give you guys one more look at these beautiful, awesome products that she makes. I can't believe it. I am so shocked. She did such a wonderful, wonderful job. But all right, guys, bye.
Bye.